Hey everyone, Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you with me as always, and I hope you're all having an amazing Thursday. It is January 29th, 2026, and you're tuned into the Nasdaq Daily Recap. Market news and economic landscape. Today's economic calendar was an important one. At 8:30 a.m., we received initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims. At 10 a.m., factory orders were released. On the earnings front, after the bell, Apple was scheduled to report results. Overnight session. When futures reopened at 6 p.m., the market was trading lower, and our robot entered a short position. As Asian markets opened, the market flipped higher. Our short position was closed, and the system switched to a long position. Pre-market data and volatility. During the early morning hours, the market moved lower. Our robot closed the long position and entered a short position. At 8:30 a.m., initial jobless claims came in at 209 Ks, lower than the previous 210 Ks. Continuing jobless claims were 1.827 million, lower than 1.865 million. The market did not react to the data. Cash session and intraday trades. At the 9:30 a.m. market open, the market dipped as Microsoft and Tesla continued to slide. Bitcoin crashed below 85,000, while silver dropped below 100. Our robot made a couple of short trades, both profitable. At 10 a.m., factory orders rose 2.7%, higher than the previous negative 1.2%. The market was mixed after the data, and our robot switched to scalping mode. Before noon, realized profit stood at $286. Afternoon session and into the close, the market consolidated during the afternoon. Our system made a profitable long trade before the closing bell, bringing realized profit up to $381. After the bell, after the close, Apple released earnings. Price action was relatively muted, with no significant move. Summary. Overall, today tech stocks showed weakness, led by Microsoft, which was down 12%. Our robot made $381, trading one contract of the E-micro futures, $322 trading 100 shares of SLV, $656 trading 100 shares of QQQ. Total profit for the day came in at $1,359. Thank you for tuning in and being part of this daily journey. I'm Matthew, wishing you all an amazing evening. I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Daily Recap.